ran a story, Global News ran a story that shone a light on this issue.
The issue, disability payments, affecting a woman and her 9-year-old son Jacob, who's also disabled.
Stunned.
Sandra Bullock of Georgetown was off work because of a diagnosed medical condition.
All of her treating doctors have said Sandra is not capable of returning to work.
That's unfair. It's just not right.
But her insurance company decided last November she was no longer entitled to be paid. Why?
Although they see significant issues with my health and whatnot, the fact that I can care for a family member, there's no reason why I can't go back to work.
They're trusting that Sun Life will be there to pay their monthly disability checks.
Sun Life, one of Canada's largest disability insurers, told Global News it couldn't talk about the case, but promised it would reevaluate the decision to cut off coverage. Pushed by our story and a $5.3 million legal action launched by lawyer James Fireman.
Both the legal claim and the story that was done by Global News previously highlighted the absurdity of that position.
My son can't take care of himself.
Days after our story was broadcast, Sun Life had a change of heart.
Sun Life reconsidered their position and acknowledged that they now believe that, in fact, she does meet the criteria for totally disabled.
Meaning Bullock will be paid everything she's owed, while a legal claim for other damages is still before the courts.
This story, another example of how just because an insurance company says it won't pay doesn't mean that's the end of the line. Public pressure and legal action can often make the difference. Alan.
Great advice. Thank you, Sean.